Today's method is absolutely free for everyone. This means you don't need to make any investments or pay for any fees at all. This new strategy is true and trusted and suits very well for beginners. So, if you have never made any money online, then this method is perfect for you. Would you rather earn small amounts of money or big amounts of money online? There shouldn't be a question about it. Most of people would love to earn big amounts of money. Just imagine what you could do with that money. Maybe go traveling around the world with family or friends. Buy things you have always dreamed of. Having enough money will definitely change your life. You will never have to worry about not having money to pay your bills or rent. And the best part is that it's possible to develop this into becoming a passive income stream. And that way, you could also step into a financial freedom journey. Make sure to watch the entire video and don't skip any parts in order to start making money with this new method. You can now continue watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Here is the first website I want to show you, and that is Redbubble.com. Basically, Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. It will give an independent artist a meaningful new way to sell their creations. That's exactly what you will also start doing, selling designs on Redbubble. Don't worry, you don't need to have any technical knowledge, and you don't have to be a graphic designer to make money on this site. Later on, I will be showing you another website that you need in order to start creating the designs on Redbubble. As I said, you will be selling designs on this website. And on this page, you can see what type of designs you can sell on this site. And you can add the design to all of these items here. As to dresses, hats, hoodies, stickers, phone cases, and so on. The best part is that you don't need to make any investments or worry about keeping inventory, as Redbubble will do that for you. Actually, you don't need to make original designs at all, and you don't even have to sell anything yourself. So, this is truly a very good method for those who have never made money online. Let me now show you some of the designs on these different items here. If you go on phone cases here, then on the next page, you can see all these cool and beautiful cases, like this one and that one here. And the sellers on this page usually charge between $18 to $25 for each phone case. Let's take a look at another item. Just go to clothing and then to hoodies and sweatshirts. And when scrolling down a bit, you can see all these different designs on hoodies and also how much the sellers are charging for them. This is from $30 to $50 per item. Now you can look around on Redbubble yourself to get designing ideas and see how much to charge for your items. To start creating and selling your designs on Redbubble, you first need to create yourself a free account. And to do that, simply click on this button here that says Sign Up. It will then take you to the next page where you can see two options you need to choose from. As you will be selling designs, you need to click on this one here, Artist Sign Up. Set up shop and start selling your designs. You also need to fill in your information, such as your email address. Then create your shop name, add your password. And if you would like to receive special offers and artist news from Redbubble, then simply click on this box here. Finally, hit the Sign Up button to finish creating your account. Once you have successfully signed up and logged into your account, then click on this icon here. That's your account, and then to sell your art. Now you can see your dashboard on Redbubble. On this page, you can see what else you can do to set up your shop. You can start creating products, simply upload your art, and then choose products. Next on, you can set up your shop by adding an avatar, a cover image, a social media link, and so on. When you have done the two previous ones, you need to confirm your account and payment details to now open your shop and get selling. There are several options on how to get paid, as with cryptocurrency payout or through your PayPal account. As I said earlier, you need to create designs. And to start doing that, simply click on here that says Add Designs. You will be then taken to this page where you can see two options. You need to choose this one, Upload New Work. As this is a new account and you don't have any designs yet, then you need to upload a new artwork. But as you are not required to have any graphic design skills, and you also may not have any designs, then you might be wondering, how or where do I get those designs to sell on Redbubble? The answer to that question is very simple. Just go to the next website, that is snappa.com. This is the website where you can find a cloud-based graphic designing tool, which helps you to create graphics for free. And when you click on templates, then you can choose from thousands of pre-made templates that you can use for your needs. Snappa.com is absolutely free for everyone. This means you are not required to make any payments. But to get started on this page, simply click on this blue button that says Get Started Free. You can now see a pop-up which allows you to create an account for free. Just fill in your name, an email address, and password. Make sure to confirm that you are not a robot. And to finish signing up, click on this button here. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have signed into your account, then it will look like this, and you are ready to start creating designs using Snappa's design templates. And over here, you can see that you can start creating social media posts, such as Instagram stories and Facebook posts. But if you don't find the template design on Snappa to sell on Redbubble, then you can also create the design from scratch. But keep in mind that it has to be in a specific size, as you want to fit it on the t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and other stuff that you'll be selling on Redbubble. And that's why, under the custom graphic size, you need to type in 2200 by 2200, which is the custom design you need. Once you have filled them in, just click on Create. You will be then taken to this page where you can start creating your design. Now, if you want, you can add different backgrounds and even graphics and text to your template. Here's actually a design that I created earlier to upload on Redbubble. And I did this by going to graphics and then to icons. Over here, you can type in specific icon you're looking for, such as money. You can simply type in some words, make them bigger or smaller, whatever you want, and add graphics to it. And that's how easily you can create a design on Snappa. And the best part is that you can do all this on whichever device you want. You can do it on your computer, tablet, or even smartphone. Once you have finished creating your design, then go over here and click on Download to save it to your device. You can actually create whatever design you prefer on Snappa. As I said before, you're not required to have any graphic design skills, as they have everything over here to simply create one on your own. You can now go back to Redbubble and upload your done design over here. Then you will be taken to this page. You just need to fill in some information. For the title, I will just type in cute cat. And for tag, cute cat, cats. And for the description, something like this: what greater gift than the love of a cat? And this is all you need to do to upload your design to redbubble.com. And when you scroll down a bit on this page, you will be able to see your design on different items, such as on a t-shirt, or on a cap, on a bag, and even on a phone case. There are so many items you can add to your shop and then sell. Also, Redbubble will do everything for you. They will print the designer-preferred items and then ship them to a customer. As I said earlier, you also don't need to do any selling, as Redbubble is so popular and millions of people visit their site. And because of that, there is a big chance that people will click on your product and then purchase it. Once you have checked through on how the design looks on different items and everything looks fine to you, then you can scroll down to the bottom of this page. Over here, where it says Media, select up to 2. I recommend choosing Design and Illustration, and then Digital Art. And now on this part here, you need to set the default product in your shop, and that should be optimized. After that, they're asking who can view this work, and this should be set on anybody as to public. And under the mature content, make sure to click on No. Over here, simply click this box here to agree to their terms and policies. And finally, click on Save Work. After doing that, it will start processing the work. Once it is finished, you are just a few steps away from selling it on your Redbubble shop. Before you can do that, simply fill in your payment details to set up everything and, of course, to receive your payouts. Here's a bonus tip I'd like to share with you. If you want, you can just rely on Redbubble and only get people coming to your store through their site. But if you'd like to have more people visiting your shop, then there's another way for that, and that is promoting your store on another platform. Doing that, you'll get so many people coming to your store and purchasing items with your design on them. Now, I want you to go over to this brand new platform, that is Parler.com. This is actually a brand new social media website, which is quite similar to Facebook. The first thing you need to do on this site is to create yourself a new account, which you can do with a few simple steps. Once you have signed into your new account, then this is how it will look like. You can see that they have a hashtag system, as there are hashtags above every post. Now, if I search for a keyword, cute cat, then it will give me a search result with all these different posts, such as photos and videos that have been added by other people on this platform. You can see the same hashtag, that is cute cat, and other related hashtags to the one I was looking for above each post. And as you can see, when you click on the other keywords on one of these posts, then there are people engaging, liking, and commenting. That's why I do see this to be a very good way for you to promote your Redbubble store on this platform. You can simply post a picture of an item in your store with a few hashtags and make sure to add your store link over there. Once someone who is also a cat lover or an animal lover clicks on your store link, then they will be redirected to your Redbubble store, where they can purchase any item they want, and that way you will earn your money. I recommend adding as many designs to your store as possible, as this way the more people can buy your designed items, and thanks to that you can increase your earning potential. This is how easily you can sell your designs on Redbubble by using Snappa. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.